The Uganda Police has warned corrupt officials accused of wrongdoing in managing public resources that they will face the law once found guilty. Assistant Inspector General of Police, Tom Magambo, has issued the warning during the release of the annual police crime report for last year, 2024.
That in 2024, we registered a 4.1% decline in the crime. And the organizing team this time has gone ahead to give you a summary in terms of projection, what we had in 2022, 2023, and now 2024. This is not a mean achievement. It means the entire police family has done everything together with the stakeholders to have this trend go down.
He says they also registered a 4.1% decline in crime, of which 81,750 cases were caught and 26,328 were convictions. He also added that 43,000 cases were still ongoing, while 46,000 were dropped due to lack of enough evidence.
But we have a few highlights in terms of cases that we were able to take to court, which is 81,750. In those, we also had convictions. And for us, this is, as CID, is a very big achievement. We registered 26,328. But we are also having some cases which are ongoing in court, arising from last year, which is 43,000. And of interest, we also had 46,000 which we did not proceed with. This category, people will report to a police station, but when you analyze, it is a civil matter, or sometimes it is resolved, so we don't proceed with such cases.
15,510 cases were acquittals by the courts of law. He says there is still a case backlog of 90,000 cases which are still under investigation.
61,529 cases registered, compared to what we reported last year, gives us a decrease of 6.6%. Now, this is not to say we are happy with this, but what we are dealing with is what we managed to recover or deal with in terms of thefts. On assault, by end of 2024, we had registered 29,000 cases, 580. Again, this was a decrease by 1% from what we reported last year, and we have also given you what we reported in our annual crime report of the previous year. On sex-related offenses, we see a huge decline from 14,425 sex-related cases. But this does not mean we are satisfied with that figure. It's a result of a lot of support, even from the JALOS and other stakeholders who have invested so much in this area.